how to set the child lock on Mitsubishi air conditioner remote control. Okay, to do that, first of all you need to take out the cover of your air conditioner, and then you will see the key button here, and now just press and hold on that button for about 3 seconds. Okay, now let's do it. Okay, until you can see the key lock on the corner of your remote screen. That means now your remote is locked. Now I explain what is that function. So when you lock your remote, the only operation that you can do on your remote control is only turn on and turn off your air conditioner. Okay, for example, now we just only turn on, and you want to change the temperature. When you press, you see the key lock is blinking. That means the remote is already locked and you cannot make change the mode or any other thing until you unlock it. So this is to prevent your children to do any setup on your remote control. So all the settings that you already set to your remote will remain the same until you unlock it. Okay, to unlock your remote control, do it the same way. Press that key lock set button, hold about 3 seconds. Okay, until you can see the key logo disappear. Now you can make change the temperature setting. Okay, and change the mode. And fan speed. Okay, so now that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can set the child lock on your Mitsubishi air conditioner remote control, and the way that you can unlock it back to the normal remote. And now thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.